Hello everyone, so today we will be making another colorful bead bracelet, which is very easy and very simple. Just it takes a little bit time. So we will be needing a few beads, a flower beads, a heart shape beads, and also a circle 8 mm beads, and also 2 mm colorful beads. We also will be needing the memory steel beading wire for the base of our bracelet. We also will be needing a few other wire for the tail of the bracelet. Let's make the tail first. For our bracelet, I will be using the eye pin. Insert any colors of the 2 mm beads, the round 8 mm beads, and another 2 mm beads inside. And then we will be making a loop. But before that, we will be needing our cutter to cut the extra on the wire. Just cut enough for making the loop at the end. Take our cutter and make the loop. We will be needing some adjustment, right? For this one, I will be using the flat end wire, a colorful beads, the heart shape round beads, and also another colorful beads. Any color will do. You don't need to be like choose exactly any beads color. Alright, cut the extra and make a loop. Alright, just need to make some adjustments so it won't like fall off from the wire. And for the last one, we will be needing the flat end wire as well. I will add 4 mm colorful beads to the base before putting in the flower beads. Okay, slide it in. Cut the extra and make a loop at the end. Some adjustment will be needed so that the beads won't fall off from the wire, right? Okay, we are done with the flowers. Now we just need to work with our last part of the tail. Just need to make this a little bit straight so it will be easier to put the 2 mm beads in. I will put like around 7 or 8 beads inside. I don't want it to be that long, because this will be combined with the flower beads that we made earlier. But if you want to make it shorter, it's actually not a problem. Cut the end. And take the white plier again and make a loop at the end. Alright, so we have this one. We can actually directly combine them, so it will be easier for us to combine it with the wire later on. Put the flower in and seal the loop again. Put it aside. And for the heart, we will be combining it with the 8mm round bead just now. And also close the loop. Alright, now we will be working with our memory steel beading wire. We will need to make a loop at one of the ends so the 2mm beads won't fall off from the beads later when we put them in. For this part, it will require a lot of time, so I will be speeding up some part of the videos later on. Alright, we just need to make a little bit adjustment so the loop will be like perfect in the thumb. And take the other end. This one don't make any loop because we will be putting our 2mm beads in. Alright, so from this part it will be fast forward videos because we just need to put the beads in until it's completely covered the whole wire. let's put the last few beads in, and we will need to make another loop at the end of it. Now we will need to combine our charm into each end of the bracelet, and that will be the final step for our bracelet. And there we have it, our colorful beading bracelet, which is simple and actually very cute, and I'm sure it can fit a lot of outfit that you have in your drawer. Alright, this type of bracelet actually very easy to wear. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and give it a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any of suggestion. I'll see you all in the next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.